Hey, Sports Entertainment Marketing. This is my dog Jasmo. He wanted to be in this video with me today. So, here's the plan for the next couple weeks. Certainly for this week. More work on that amusement park project. I know I'm keeping us going at a pretty good pace here. So you should be working on slides 18 through 21 on Monday. Async time is just for getting caught up. Or like finishing up what you need to. Slides 22 through 25 on Wednesday. And on Friday there's going to be a sub again. I will make sure that they're able to get into the Google Meet. I'll revise my instructions. So Friday is when you're going to be reviewing or just making it, kind of pulling it all together basically. So starting to make it really look nice. Thinking about your fonts and your formatting, just, making it look good. Then the week of June 2nd, we've got another day for sure of finishing that stuff up. And after that, we'll decide what format we're going to do presentations in. So then finals, you guys have your final on Friday morning. So notice that most of the, first through fourth hour finals are in the afternoon like we've normally been doing. But Friday is morning. So you're going to be done with the day at 11:30, which is sweet, but you do have to wake up super early, or at least hopefully you're waking up that early anyway, but you'll be coming into school earlier. I'm thinking that our final is going to be just like a Google form with some vocabulary kind of stuff on it. But plan to finish up any missing work soon. My last day that I'm going to accept that stuff is going to be this Tuesday. I'm aiming for try to get your stuff in by Friday, June 4th. Okay, if you need a little bit more time than that, we'll make it work. But definitely try to get your stuff in by Friday, June 4th. Okay. So that's the plan for the next couple weeks. I'll see you guys soon.